LeeWay is really a data-driven vessel owner and operator. We really saw a need for a company that's playing a role of being a facilitator of change and of progress in the industry. We take our assets to sea to do a lot of science work and data acquisition for the industry with nonprofits, government organizations, with universities to try and better understand the ocean that's around us. It started out with a number of retired ex-Navy professionals that came together and decided to start the company. But that experience has sort of grown and it's become much more diverse. So we have engineers on staff, we have folks that are ocean technologists, we have deep understanding in sensor deployment and sensor management, engineering, vessel refits. We do touch on a lot of different areas from a technical perspective. Our value is really derived out of our breadth of experience in a lot of different industries. We look at, for example, the clients that come on board our vessels that are looking to test and evaluate their technology and their equipment that they're developing. We can provide them feedback on how something could work better, how it could be used better, which they can then go take back to their operation and put that into their planning and development. We're not just focused on getting ships to sea and having our clients on board. We're also focused on finding efficiency in our operations. We've got big aspirations for moving our fleet towards a carbon neutral position, so we're looking at alternative fuels and alternative power sources on board our vessels. We're also moving towards a position of being more autonomous with our operations, being able to reduce the number of folks that actually have to go to sea, and maybe they can actually stay ashore, monitor some of that data that's being collected and process that ashore, which also means you can downsize your vessels. The LeeWay Striker is a very unique vessel. So we've actually integrated a fairly sophisticated autopilot system that's on board right now, which has some learning capabilities within it. Has been able to learn how the vessel reacts to speed, to wind, to tide, all those different parameters that are affecting the vessel. And we can actually pre-program routes now, and the master is essentially just standing there and allowing the vessel to do what it needs to do and can intervene where needed. At this point, we call it autonomous capable. The biggest opportunity, I think, for LeeWay from a market perspective is the offshore wind market in the US. And we see ourselves playing a role in sort of a broad range of activities there. I would say that's our biggest opportunity, and it's on us to make sure that we can execute on that and actually get the work done.